Yung store discussion, ito yung sa SMM meeting kahapon. Ang branch Riverbanks. Ang BR schedule natin is July 7 sa Monday. Ang warehouse natin, yung deliver natin is kahapon, July 4. Tapos, warehouse request inventory natin is, yung ni-request ko is yung collar na white at saka CBC men's, saka yung mga consumables. Tapos, yung items for allocation natin is yung TIT oversize. Yan yung for allocate. Ang slow-moving items natin is wala naman. OLM, new approved marketings sa SP is yung bundle with shirt. PYD, price starts on print only. TIT, transfer it. Focus on product with prints. Sa ads and promo, yung new updates na brochure is yung embroidery booklet. Tricycle natin, yung active natin is 17. Streamers, 10. Stickers, 20. Curtains, 17. Design update natin or new item, product, yung wooden, tsaka flash drive, tsaka keychain. Material niya is yung wood, process, engraved. Sa website naman, yung page modification, yung bago is yung promotional page. ROM, save reply, topic is yung 14 inches wall plaque, digital, tsaka large capacity travel, organizer bag. Sa treasury naman, cost of refund kasi merong cancel order si Audion 2, which is yung maarte kasi yung customer sa swatch color. Kaya para maiwasan yun is ipakita kay customer or basahin yung terms of condition sa may SOF. Then i-explain sa kanya para maintindihan niya bago i-proceed yung order. Complaint. Meron kasi si Makati complaint, customer complaint na hindi nila nire-replyan yung customer, hindi nila sinasagot. So, dapat doon, para maiwasan is, i-check yung cellphone kung talagang naka-on, ganun, para marinig nyo kung may tumatawag. MIS, meron siyang 4 na update. Yung DMA Modify, meron na itong nakalagay kung ilan yung nasagot online, overall, kung ilan yung inquiry sa Viber at saka sa page. Waiver on personal shirts. Diba alam mo yun, waiver?
Knowledge ko yan.
Meron na dong reference number, which is ang ilalagay nyo doon is yung CWO number. Sa dashboard naman, may additional doon na SRF. Doon makikita kung na-receive na natin yung SR. Same sa dashboard SOR. Doon naman makikita kung na-receive na natin yung special order naman. Visual categorization, category, sublimation swatch, ballpen calendar, gift ideas, mugs, glass tower, gift ideas, tumbler, tsaka DIY songs. Then may HR na, ito yung schedule, then topic sa workshop. July 7, 10 AM, sublimation digitize. July 8, 10 AM, basic item. July 9, afternoon siya, baka mga 1:32, Embro program. Then, July 10, business solution. Ikaw yung attendees.
Uy, sa akin pa talaga.
Tapos, audit, active hotspot, wala naman na tayo. Then, garments and consumable posting. Tapos naman na din, sa akin nakasa.